Hey, welcome to Tech Talk. My name's Ed. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to create a bootable USB with El Capitan on it using a Windows operating system. It's really simple. Um, you can do it in just a few minutes. The first thing you need is to make sure that you have a USB with at least, I want to say, I mean, you might be able to get away with 8 gigabytes, but I would just use 16 just to be safe. But anyways, if you want to check to see if your USB is working, go ahead and put it in. Most of the time, if you put your USB in, it will just open it like this just did. And as you can see, it's empty, it's drive D. But if you go to this PC here, you'll see your drive right here as well. So if it loads, typically it's going to be seen by TransMac. So what we need to do is install TransMac. And I have a video, it's in the link below. There's a link below that will show you exactly how to install TransMac. It's simple, really fast. So once that's installed, you're going to open this link to the archive.org. And when you come in here, you're going to scroll down here and you're going to just see this. You're going to click on ISO images. Now, I know you're thinking, hey, I need a DMG. That's okay. I'm going to show you how easy it is to change the ISO to DMG. It's super simple, especially in Windows. So once you you're here, go ahead and click the download, and then once it's downloaded, you're going to come over here. You can click on the file Explorer. You're going to click Downloads. You're going to go over here to the file itself. If you can't see the file extension, just go to View and then Show, and then select File Name Extension. And then once you're here, you're going to click here, click over on here, and just change this to DMG. And it's that simple. Hit yes, and you are done. So next thing you know, we're going to do, once you install TransMac, open it by right-clicking and then run as administrator. Go ahead and hit yes to the user account control when it pops up. Hit run, because you just have to wait for it to count down. So you'll have a trial period. Select it, right-click on it. And then you're going to say format disk for Mac. And then hit yes. And then you can name it anything you want. So let's call it El Capitan. El Capitan, however you pronounce it. Hey, if you got any ideas on how to appropriately pronounce this, go ahead and comment below. So go ahead and hit yes. And then just wait for this to get done. And then once it's done, it'll say format complete. Go ahead and click OK. And then now we're going to right click on it, hover over the top, right click, and then click restore with disk image. And then we're going to say yes, and then we're going to navigate to our file that we downloaded, that we just renamed to DMG. We're going to select it and then hit open, and then hit OK. And then hit OK again. And once it's complete, you'll see restore complete, hit OK. And that's pretty much it. So the next thing you're going to do is just go ahead and put the USB in your Mac device and boot from it. All right, well, hopefully this helps you. And if you have any questions on how to boot this USB, please leave a comment below. I'll be more than happy to help you out. All right, and of course, if this helps, please consider hitting like and subscribe. All right, have a great day. All right, bye.